All right, guys. Here is the closet that we're about to do. Oh, I don't even know if I'm gonna be able to get this done.
Don't show them the bottom. No, the bottom.
Shush. I'm gonna edit it out anyway.
Suck.
Alright guys, so we are going to be doing a clean, declutter, and organize my son's closet. So as you've seen from the previous clip, it is a nightmare. I think that's just where he puts everything. So he is going to help me. I'm gonna grab him and we are gonna get in this closet. We're gonna pull everything out of the closet and then we're gonna methodically put it back in, thorough and thoughtfully. So let's get started. This video is in collaboration with some YouTube mamas, Ida Ray, Kay Renee, and Designs by Jenna. So make sure when you're done watching this full video, go and check out their channels. I will have their videos linked below in the description box. Alright guys, so I just completely had a full-on conversation with you guys about a lot of stuff and it wasn't recording. And
That is not my fault. I was reading Marco.
He didn't even tell me. So I'm gonna tell you what I did because we're not recreating anything around here. We do real life cleaning. I emptied everything on the top. As you can see, it's all empty. And I emptied all of the hanging clothes. So now I've just got to do everything on the ground. My shameful moment was this Huggies box has all of the little memorabilia from when he was born and when he was younger that I was supposed to do the baby book with, and it hasn't been done. So it's still sitting in that box, and he is 11 now. Pretty sad. In addition, we also looked at some of the little gadgets and gadgets that we picked up from different countries. We got Aruba, and we've got some Cabo somewhere in here. We've got Chichen Itza down here. This was from Ensenada. So that's where we're at. Now I'm gonna make sure that I'm recording and let's keep going with a little bit of a fail. And if your kid has stinky feet like me, my kid, invest in these little shoe refreshers. The closet doesn't smell nearly as bad as it would if these were in there. They should be in his shoes, but I guess that's too much to ask him. Alright guys, so as you can see, all cleared. All clear. You got an empty closet. Yay!
Let's keep it that way.
Alright. Now let's vacuum and start organizing.
What? Here, thank you.
Okay, so everything in this bin that came out of his closet was transferred out. So we took out things that he no longer wanted and put in all of his like Nerf guns and outside toys, and we're gonna put that in the garage so he has easy access to what he is playing with outside. And then this mega Nerf gun that we haven't even opened yet because he has too many toys. It's ridiculous. That box over there is a donate box that I haven't finished and I need to tape up and get that out of there. But let's go to the next step. And then I got these large storage bins and they're gonna go at the top. I'm gonna put the clothes in here. I purchased this little shelf closet organizer, but I realized that this calls for a rod, and as you can see, he has those wires, so it can't go all the way around, so I will have to return it. But I'm looking for something that will work, and hopefully 5 shelves, so I can just lay out his clothes for the week in advance. Guys, so those are the 2 bins that I got. These ones have clothes, these ones have hats, and then a few costumes that he's gonna give to his cousin. We've got on black hangers his bottoms. As you can see, there's not too many bottoms in there. He has a lot in the dirties that we will be doing laundry and taking care of. And then over here we have his shirts. So as you can see, they're color coded and kind of also in order of sleeve length. So right now, you know, we're having triple degree weather in Cali. So he has his no sleeve muscle tees, and then regular length sleeves, blue and purple and red and so on and so forth. Then let's go across, pick it up, gray and white and black. His jerseys, he's got 2 Raiders jerseys. Then we've got like short sleeve, nice shirts to wear for church and stuff. And then long sleeves back here. Toys that he can get into, that he can play with in his room and in the house. And then his shoes, which we will get some more when it's time to go back to school. Alright, so this is all the stuff that's going to be going down to the trash. The recyclable boxes are going to go in the recycle bin. The shoes and these things are going to go in the trash. And then the bottles will be recycled. I don't know why he had so many bottles in his room. Go figure. But that is everything. Everything else is clear. We will put the donation stuff in the donation box that I have already going in the morning. And he's knocked out. I didn't even make his bed. I don't think he really cares. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you check out these lovely ladies' videos and let them know that I sent you. As always, stay blessed.